therapist here at Sleep Play. Today we're going to review the AirFit P10, the most popular mask we have. And it's so popular because it's little, and most people just want small things in their nose. They don't want anything big, they don't want something too invasive covering the whole face. Yes. So yeah, this is the most popular one. It's a nasal pillow mask. What that means is that it has these little two things that go in your nose, okay? And it has two straps. Well, actually it's one strap divided in two. So the first thing that we're going to do is let's try to take it apart. Before anything, it comes with 3 other sizes. This is the AirFit P10 For Her, which has a smaller strap, and it also has the smaller cushion. This one brings extra small, small, and medium. We also have this blue one that it has small, medium, and large. Okay, they're pretty much the same. It's just the sizes that vary. All right, so let's take it apart. So to take this cushion off, if you notice, there's like a little gray line like around the bottom of the mask. You're going to squeeze in the middle, in the front and in the back. Voila. And that's how you take it off, okay? And this is what you would do if you want to try any of the other sizes. Let's put it back in. And to put it on, you can only put it one way. So we're gonna, voila. And it's gonna click into place. When you put on this mask, it's important to remember that the letters have to be facing down. You're gonna have left and right, so you can go by that, or you can just say, okay, the letters have to be facing down. Let's put it on our friend the mannequin. 2 straps, one goes to the back of your head and one goes to the top of your head. Let's do this. Like so. Ideally, you want it to rest on your cheeks like that. Not too close to the eyes, but just like this. And then you connect it to the tubing. And that's pretty much it as far as putting on the mask, okay? Now also make sure that you don't stick the whole thing in your nose. It's just supposed to be like so. Now to take care of this mask, you should always wash the mask cushion, a little piece that I removed, every day with water and soap. Obviously, if there's something stuck to it, you can wipe it with our CPAP wipes, or you can just wash it with water and soap. You can also take the strap off. Now, according to ResMed, if you want this to stay tight and not to get loose, you can wash it once a week and let it air dry, and it would automatically shrink, okay? So you can try that. It also brings 2 little round adapters that you can tighten the mask with, that you can tighten the straps with, okay? The way that you do it is you pull it so that you see that hole right there, and it kind of unhooks, and that's how you take it off. You would do the same thing on the other side. You put it in here again, and then just pull it like a sock, and like that. And that's pretty much it. This is the AirFit P10 For Her, but they also have the regular one, and it's one of our most popular masks. Thank you.